note that there is some slight delay in making the stadium ready, but we trust and believe that the contractors are working around the clock 24/7 to ensure that the stadium is ready. Then of course our last point of call was at the County Commissioner's residence, which would be the garden where His Excellency the President will host the luncheon. That is already, the contractor is handing over that site on Monday next week.
It is true, we have gone round. A lot of work is happening, you know, the venues that we are interested on, and we believe by the time we get to the celebrations, we'll be ready. In case of anything else, the PS is here to keep us updated.
Kuangalia mradi huu ambao tunaandaa wakati wa sherehe inayokuja ya tarehe 1 mwezi wa 6. Tumeangalia vile stadium inaendelea na tunaridhika kwamba kazi inaendelea.